Have you been shopping for a memory card for your GoPro and you're not sure which one to buy? Well, in this video, we're going to show you which 128 gigabyte micro SD cards GoPro recommends. We'll show you their current pricing so you can find the best deal. So check it out. Hey everyone, it's Ken here from Northern Viking Everyday, and if you are new to this channel, we bring you videos on reviews and how-tos, so make sure you click that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any upcoming videos. Today we're going to be showing you which 128 gigabyte micro SD cards GoPro actually recommends for your GoPro Hero 8 Black, your GoPro Max, or even older GoPro models. Now if you've got one of those older GoPro models, we're going to show you the resource where they show you which cards they recommend and which ones they don't. I'll show you where to find that in just a moment. We'll show you actually what the meaning is of the writing on your card so you can use that as a resource. And then we're going to go through the GoPro cards, the 128 gigabyte cards for the Max and the 8 on Amazon so you can find the best price. And we're going to show you what their current prices are listed at. And hey, if you're actually interested in 256 gigabyte cards, I've got a link to the video I made on that as well down in the description below. But let's jump on over to my desktop and get right into this. Alright, so we're over here on the GoPro website, and the first thing I wanted to talk about is this great chart that they put out that shows you the speed class, UHS speed class, and video speed class, and what you should be looking for on your memory card, the little markings for the type of video you're trying to do. So they've got all these markings, what they mean speed-wise, as well as what type of video you should be shooting with those specific memory cards. And again, all these links to these charts are in the description below, as well as the memory cards. Now, next up, the second one, this is the chart which shows you which memory card should be working in different sizes for the GoPro Hero 8 Black and the Max. So all of these, you can see there's a Y next to them. So all of these ones will be working for those cameras. Now, if you scroll down, it's going to get into the older cameras, the Hero 7, the silver, white, and black right there. And you can notice some of these are starting to say that they do not work. There's an N next to them. So go through these if you're looking to buy memory cards and make sure that the one you're buying is going to work. Now, if you scroll further down, you're going to see memory cards for the Hero 6, the Hero 5, Fusion, Session, all those older cameras are down here as well. And you're going to see more and more cards that they do not recommend. So I do recommend buying cards that they say will work for your camera. So that's where you're going to find that resource. Again, the link is in the description for that. Now let's go ahead and look through the memory cards, the 128 gigabyte ones that they say will work with the Hero 8 Black and the Max. And we'll start with the highest price ones and work ourselves down to the cheapest ones. And I'll show you exactly which ones I purchased as well when we go through them. So we'll start out with the most expensive one that I found, and these are today's pricing. Now this could all be different tomorrow, but this is current pricing as I film this video. Most expensive one here, SanDisk Extreme Plus, is currently running at $69.99. Moving on down, the Lexar 1800 128, that's $69.85, so right under the price of the SanDisk Extreme Plus. The third one down, Lexar 1000, is currently running at $57.61. And I do want to mention as well, if you do go to purchase any of these, that make sure you're buying from a reputable seller. Look at their reviews so you're making sure you're getting authentic memory cards from the retailers. So that's something just to think about. The next one down is the SanDisk Extreme Pro, currently running around $32.79 for that one. Next one down is the Nintendo Switch memory card, which they say will work in the 128 gigabyte or the 64 gigabyte versions. Now that's a mouthful. $27.74 for that one. Next down, the SanDisk Extreme, $26.99, and they do have bundles as well. You can see some of them, 128 and the 64 gigabyte bundles. So if you're looking for different options, you can look for bundles. Maybe there's adapters and things as well. Next one, the Samsung 128 Evo Select. Now this one is $24.99. Now I've actually bought this one. This is one of the ones that's available in 256 as well. And this is the card I actually bought. And it's tiny right there. And that one I bought in 256, but it is available in 128 as well. The 256 one, so in 128 it's $24.99. 256 is currently running at $50, $49.99 for that one. So great deal on that card. And I've had great results. I've never had it crash with that card, even in the 256 version. Next down is the 128 Samsung Evo 128. And this one I have actually purchased as well, this exact card in the 128, and I've used this a ton, and this one works great as well. And these are currently $23.88. Let's see here. The next one is the PNY Pro Elite Micro, $21.99 for that one. And the next one, Lexar 667, $19.99 for that one. There's some good deals here. The Lexar, whoa, is that the one we just did? Did we do that one twice? Maybe it's slightly different. Anyway, $19.99 for that one. And the final one, the PNY 128, that's $19.99 as well. So there's a whole bunch of cards that are right in that $20 to $25 range that they recommend will work with your GoPro Hero 8 Black and your GoPro Max. And hey, if you're interested in some of my favorite GoPro accessories, battery chargers, this silicone case has a lens cover that it comes with. Got a whole video on that. Or the GoPro Shorty Stick, which is an extension tripod, so it's kind of cool. You can just put it on your desk and film yourself. It's that easy. Those links are all below. Thanks for watching. I hope this video did give you value. If it did, make sure to smash that thumbs up button. And until next time, take care.